Sintra AI review. So Sintra AI is an emerging AI platform designed to assist businesses and individuals in automating workflows, generating content, and enhancing design making with its sleek design and robust functionality, which we will see here, right? And its position itself as a versatile tool for professional across industries. Although I really like the website because it's really cute, right? And Sintra AI excels at producing high quality written content, including articles and emails and social media posts. And it advanced algorithm ensure the output is engaging, contextually relevant, and tailored to your audience need. It is data, it give you data driven insight, right? It integrates with your favorite tools here, most of the popular tool, you can say that. And the integration capability is really good, right? The intuitive design ensure that even non-techie savvy can use this really easy, right? And Sintra AI automates repetitive tasks, saving time and resources while maintaining the quality. Although I want to try it right now, so even though to get it tried before, we just pricing here. So this is a sushi, $39 per month. Your social media manager on AI, right? And I can just redeem 60% off. Now this is a cashier, so customer support genius. Texter is analytic expert. Okay, so you can say it's very similar to chatbots, but the creator, the Sintra gave its face and everything, and it's tailored to very specific use case here. I just want to go for the Sintra X. I can use all 12 Sintra AI helpers for $97 per month. Okay, so this is really interesting. If you want to do this, you can choose any one of them. Although I want to try it for once, right? For free, they should give the freemium plan. And here you can just redeem 60% off, right? And $7 per month, right? That is pretty much easy. I mean, this says it's really cheap. And this is it, guys. I hope you found this review very useful. If you did, subscribe.